Science and Discovery, Earth Layers as a Tasty Sandwich Model. In a bustling town named Curiosityville, our young heroes, Alice, Ben, and Carlos, sat around their classroom table after lunch. The teacher, Miss Sparkle, beamed at them with excitement. "Children," she began, "today we'll take a journey to the center of our Earth, but not with any fancy machines or expensive tools. We'll use something far more delicious, a sandwich." Miss Sparkle picked up a piece of bread. "First," she said, "our bread represents the Earth's crust, the hard, thin layer we walk on." She placed it on the plate. Alice nodded, eager to learn. Next came the lettuce, representing our Earth's mantle, a thick and hot layer beneath the crust. "The mantle is like this juicy green lettuce," explained Miss Sparkle. "It's very hot, but not as hot as—" Miss Sparkle poured a small pool of molten cheese in the center of the sandwich, symbolizing Earth's core, the hottest part of our planet. "And finally," she said, "our core, the melty and hot cheese in the middle." The children took turns examining their creation with toy magnifying glasses, marveling at the layers that represented our Earth. "I can't believe we made a sandwich that teaches us about Earth," exclaimed Carlos. Ben looked at Miss Sparkle with a questioning expression. "But, Miss Sparkle," he asked, "how will we see these layers if our sandwich is closed?" Miss Sparkle smiled and pulled out a large knife, cutting the sandwich horizontally in half. "Just like this," she exclaimed. The children gasped as they saw the layers of their Earth sandwiches. The children stared in awe at their open sandwiches, each one clearly showing the layers of Earth's crust, mantle, and core. Alice gasped, "Wow, I never knew our Earth was so cool." Ben, Carlos, and Alice shared their sandwiches with each other, comparing the thickness of their Earth's layers. "My crust is thicker than yours," said Ben. "But remember," warned Miss Sparkle, "just because our sandwiches are different doesn't mean our Earths are." The children nodded, their eyes filled with determination. "We'll go home and research more about our Earth," promised Alice. Miss Sparkle smiled, proud of her students. That evening, as the sun set over Curiosityville, Ben, Carlos, and Alice sat on their bedroom floors, surrounded by books about the Earth. They were determined to learn more about this amazing planet they called home.